Have you noticed this symbol lately? A pirate skull with a straw hat. It has been cropping up during Gen Z protests across the world. This is the Jolly Roger flag from the popular Japanese anime One Piece. It is now a banner of dissent for young protesters rebelling against corrupt, inefficient, and authoritarian governments in revolutionary movements that are largely leaderless. In Indonesia, students used it to denounce corruption and authoritarian moves of the government. In Nepal, protesters draped the Jolly Roger flag over parliament gates during the clashes. Beyond Nepal, the flag has appeared in Madagascar, Morocco, Philippines, France, Kenya, and in Peru. While the issues vary in each country, the One Piece banner is one of the elements uniting the Gen Z protests. Gen Z, which includes youngsters born roughly between 1996 and 2010, is the first generation to grow up entirely in the internet age. For people having spent their entire life immersed in popular culture and memes, references to such images can have a uniting power. We have seen this with the Guy Fawkes mask from the film V for Vendetta during the Occupy Wall Street protests in 2011, which helped protesters to remain faceless. And it also served as a symbol for vigilante cyber attacks by the anonymous hacker group. Similarly, the Jolly Roger flag is gaining traction because the anime series One Piece is all about resisting oppressive power, helping the marginalized, and thus the logo transmits hope. The young character Luffy, who draws this flag in the anime series, is a young man who fights back against the establishment and always hopes to make the world a better place. Inspired by this, the ambitious and hopeful Gen Z have already toppled two governments, one in Nepal and another in Madagascar. So this serves as a strong warning to governments around the world to wake up and focus on development and create opportunities to meet the aspirations of the younger generation or face the brunt of their anger and resentment. For more such interesting content, subscribe to our channel now.